If you've ever opened QuickBooks online and wondered, where do I actually view my invoices? You're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simplest, most up-to-date way to find and view all your QuickBooks invoices in just a few clicks. Whether you're brand new to QuickBooks or just need a quick refresher, you'll have this down in minutes. Let's jump right in. Start by opening your preferred web browser and search for QuickBooks Online. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the sign in button. Go ahead and click that. QuickBooks will now ask for your login details. Enter the email and password connected to your QuickBooks account. Make sure everything's accurate to avoid any login issues. Once your credentials are in, hit sign in and you'll be taken straight into your QuickBooks set and dashboard. Great. Now you're exactly where you need to be. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, you'll notice QuickBooks main navigation menu. This is where all your financial tools live. Look for sales. This section stores everything related to your business transactions. Click on sales and a drop-down will appear. Inside this drop-down, select invoices. This is the heart of your invoicing activity. Here, QuickBooks will display a complete list of every invoice you've created: past, pending, paid, and overdue. Each invoice includes key details like issue dates, amounts, client names, and current status. You can scroll through your entire history or search for a specific invoice if you already know what you're looking for, and that's all it takes. You've now successfully accessed your QuickBooks invoices quickly and confidently. Checking this page regularly helps you stay organized, keep track of who has paid, and maintain a smooth cash flow for your business. If this guide helped you feel more comfortable navigating QuickBooks, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more clear and simple business tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy bookkeeping.